Difference between anatomy and physiology? Anatomy and physiology are two biological areas that are closely related. Many college courses combine the two, making it simple to become perplexed about the differences. Simply said, anatomy is the study of the structure and identity of body components, whereas physiology is the study of how these parts work and interact. Anatomy is a subfield of morphology. Morphology includes an organism's internal and external appearance, e.g., shape, size, pattern, as well as the form and location of external and internal structures, e.g., bones and organs, anatomy. An anatomist is a person who specializes in anatomy. Anatomists collect information from living and dead organisms, typically through dissection, in order to master internal structure. Anatomy is divided into two branches: macroscopic or gross anatomy and microscopic anatomy. Gross anatomy is concerned with the entire body as well as the identification and description of body parts large enough to be seen with the naked eye. Microscopic anatomy is concerned with cellular structures that can be seen through histology and various types of microscopy. Anatomy is important for physiologists to understand because the shape and location of cells, tissues, and organs are related to function. Anatomy is usually covered first in a combined course. If the courses are taught separately, anatomy may be required before physiology. The study of physiology necessitates the use of living specimens and tissues. A physiology lab may include experimentation to determine the reaction of cells or systems to change, whereas an anatomy lab is primarily concerned with dissection. Physiology is divided into many subfields. A physiologist, for example, may concentrate on the excretory or reproductive systems. Anatomy and physiology are inextricably linked. An X-ray technician may discover an unusual lump, change in gross anatomy, prompting a biopsy in which the tissue is examined microscopically for abnormalities, microscopic anatomy, or a test to look for a disease marker in the urine or blood, physiology. Studying anatomy and physiology? Students in college biology, pre-med, and pre-vet often take a combined course called A&P, Anatomy and Physiology. This portion of the course is typically comparative in nature, with students examining homologous and analogous structures in a variety of organisms, e.g., fish, frog, shark, rat, or cat. Increasingly, interactive computer programs are taking the place of dissections, virtual dissections. Comparative physiology and human physiology are two types of physiology. Students in medical school progress to studying human gross anatomy, which includes dissection of a cadaver. It is possible to specialize in A&P in addition to taking them as a single course. Courses in embryology, gross anatomy, microanatomy, physiology, and neurobiology are common in an anatomy degree program. Graduates with advanced degrees in anatomy may work as researchers, healthcare educators, or clinicians, or continue their education to become physicians. Undergraduate, master's, and doctoral degrees in physiology are available. Cell biology, molecular biology, exercise physiology, and genetics are examples of typical courses. A bachelor's degree in physiology can lead to entry-level research or job opportunities in a hospital or insurance company. Advanced degrees can lead to jobs in research, exercise physiology, and education. A degree in anatomy or physiology is a good starting point for studies in physical therapy, orthopedic medicine, or sports medicine.